Virgo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ay isang energy update for you ngayong August 16 to 31, 2023. Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop sa Lazada and Shopee. And meron na rin sa TikTok. So, pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Okay, so let's see, Virgo. Ano yung energy update for you? August 16 to 31, 2023. For Virgo, you have the High Priestess. This is wisdom, your inner voice, and your intuition, your instinct. So, maaring you are connecting to your higher self. Yung iba nagkakaroon ng spiritual awakening. And this is also about secrets, no? So, maaring meron kayong marireveal or merong marireveal na secrets sa inyo ngayong second half ng August. You also have the Six of Cups. This can be a revelation from your childhood, no? Oo. Ito special talaga. Ito ay a specific message. Some of you, maaring you will find out about your parents, no? Yung totoong parents ninyo, like yung biological parents ninyo or anything related sa inyong parents. You also have the Magician. This is a skill, yung inyong galing, yung inyong talento. So, some of you also, Virgo, you are going to discover your power, your talents, your skills na pwedeng hindi nyo to binigyan ng attention ng bata kayo. Let's say, for example, ng bata kayo, mahilig kayong mag-drawing or kaya mahilig kayong kumanta, mahilig kayong mag-play ng musical instruments, but nung tumanda na kayo, nagkatrabaho na kayo, nag-iba na yung priorities ninyo. And now, you are finally realizing na there is something that you need to work on or to discover about yourself na it was hidden for quite a while. Or pwedeng natabunan lang just because may iba ka ng priority, no? Prioritize. Also, the Ten of Swords. So, ending a situation or closure. So, yung iba sa inyo rito, kung meron kayong issues with your childhood, yung parents ninyo, your issues with your family, you are finally going to get closure from this, no? Na may lalaman nyo na yung nangyari sa parents nyo or nangyari sa'yo nung bata ka. Ito ay specific message lang naman. Hindi naman yan mag-resonate para sa lahat. But, yeah, this is about closing a chapter of your life dahil finally, nalaman mo na yung katotohanan. Okay? What is the Six of Cups? The Empress. Yes. So, it's time for you to take care of yourself. Focus on loving yourself and yung productivity mo and abundance and harmony. You also have the King of Wands. So, there's freedom. I'm sensing freedom sa'yo, Virgo. Freedom to do the things that you want to do. You are motivated right now to explore new opportunities na nag-open up sa'yo. And some of you, meron kayong training abroad or sa ibang lugar. May pag-travel for some of you. Na kung saan mas may enhance nyo yung galing nyo, yung talents, yung skills ninyo. Pwedeng travel opportunities rin to. Na makakapagtrabaho kayo sa abroad kung yun yung inyong goal. You also have dare to be the first, dare to be different. Meron kayong, yung iba may invention or meron kayong gagawin na kung saan parang iyan yung first sa community niyo, first sa family niyo, first sa company niyo, anything first sa isang grupo or community. May originality. Patience brings rewards. Ayan. So, yung mga naitanim nyo in the past, kung sa tingin nyo parang medyo mabagal yung nakikita nyong growth, no? So, definitely, there is growth coming in. Kailangan lang maging patient ka kung ano yung rewards na makukuha mo dyan. Kasi definitely, this is going to be rewarded. Okay? As long as willing ka na maghintay, hindi ka mainipin. So, lahat naman yan, meron niyang rewards kung hindi ka mag-give up. Okay? There may be some minor mishaps, but it is only asking you to review your work and see what you have missed out. Mistakes teach us lessons. So, yung mga bagay na minamadali, iiwasan nyo yan para hindi na kayo maging prone sa pagkakamali. Ganun kasi, pag minamadali ang isang bagay. So, let it flow. The universe says, go with the flow. Things may not go according to your plans, but there is something better for you to come. Just let it be. O, ayun. May mga bagay na hindi natin kontrolado, no? Let's say, sa trabaho. Kahit naman nagtatrabaho ka ng maayos, pero kung yung company nagkakaproblema na pwedeng mag-lead sa pagtanggal sa'yo sa trabaho, wala ka namang control na dun eh. But, there are things na nangyayari kasi you are being redirected sa mas magandang opportunity for you. So, take it as a redirection, a sign of redirection or blessing in disguise. You are going to collaborate with someone na meron kapareho mong goal sa buhay. So, maganda yan kasi pareho kayong inspired, pareho kayo ng interest. This can be, a friend or pwedeng may offer sa'yo na to work with them, lalo na kung ikaw ay isang influencer. You also have the Nine of Cups. There's happiness, there's joy. You also have the Knight of Swords. Merong conflict. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring magkaroon ng conflict sa isang katrabaho dahil sa emotions, no? So, some of you maaring maging emotional during this time. Yes, so pay attention to your emotions kasi baka may masabi kayo na hindi magugustuhan ng iba or maari ding maging sensitive kayo sa mga comments ng ibang tao sa inyo related sa trabaho ninyo or sa career ninyo or sa industry na meron kayo. So, sa relationship, you have Hammer, sabotage. Uy, someone is making excuses. Not enough. Okay. May frustration sa relationship. Wedding rings. Oh. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron na kayong plans of getting married or pagpasok sa isang serious na relationship. Pero it seems na hindi nagiging solid yung direction ng relationship ninyo. Maaring some of you are dealing with someone na, the person na hindi ganun ka-reliable sa mga pangako niya. So, take it as a red flag. Okay? Judgment o awakening, assessment. Yes. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity sa situation na to. Five of Swords. May conflict talaga. And the Eight of Wands. I think you will realize what needs to change. What needs to be done sa relationship na to. Especially kung nagkaroon na to ng trust issues. May magbabago ang isip dito eh. And I think you want to take this to a new direction with the Eight of Wands. Meron dito na nagpaplano na magpakasal pero eventually may na-realize ka na, oops, parang hindi to maganda ha, ganon. Or somehow, no, may makakapagpa-realize sa'yo na pag-isipan mo muna yung decision mo. I wish I could take back my words. See? Some of you maaring may nasabing hindi maganda or merong sa inyong nasabing hindi maganda yung partner nyo. I want to be more than friends. The timing just wasn't right for us. Oh, okay. Maaring meron ditong magle-let go kasi mas gusto niyang friends. Ito yung tipong gusto makipaghiwalay pero gusto niya friends pa rin. I don't know kung okay sa inyo yon, but may mga ganon na relationship na nag-work out after becoming friends but not a lot. So, if that works for you, then good for you. Okay? Oneness is the way. How can you show more compassion and acceptance toward those you don't understand? So, compassion is the key. Pag may mga bagay daw na hindi ka maintindihan, maaring isipin mo muna ano yung message na gusto nilang ipahiwatig sa inyo. Or, be more open and tell that person, please enlighten me or elaborate more. Okay? So, this is about accepting the things that you don't understand. So, nasa sayo kung tatanggapin mo yung bagay na hindi mo naiintindihan. Mahirap kasi na gawin yun. And some people, they just accept kahit hindi nila naiintindihan. Which is somehow detrimental sa inyo. Or hindi magiging maganda yung epekto nun sa inyo. So, think about it. First, what you can accept is something that you understand. Na naiintindihan mo dapat. Okay? So, that is your reading, Virgo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Virgo. See you again.